Hi, now that you've taken ownership of a class, this video will tell you what are the key features of what you get in a class. A class is a micro community in itself, which is feature rich. To access the class that you have joined, you have to click on My Page and select the class that is present here as listing. The first thing that you can do when you select a class, in this case, let's say English, is become the owner of the class. By becoming an owner of the class, you get additional privileges. If you don't want to be an owner, then you can leave it as it is. But it is recommended that if you are the faculty who's teaching that class in that semester, you should become owner. Once you become owner, there are 4 or 5 different things that you can do in the class. The most important thing that we do in a class, even in our campus, in the physical world, is teach or share resources that we have with our students. Similarly, a class is a hub where I can share all the resources that I want to share with the other members of this class, which could be students or other faculty members. It could also be other people that I have made as members in this class. Resources in a class can be added from the campus library. To access the library, all you have to do is click on library and click on browse to get to the campus library. The campus library is very rich in resources that we have pre-added. You can search for any specific resource that you want or that you know that is already present in the campus library by using the search engine, or you can browse to resources based on knowledge level, type, which could be a video link, a resource page, a book page, or whatever you want, or anybody who has created. Get to a specific resource that you like, and once you get to a resource, in this case, for example, I have a resource which is called What is Marketing. I just click on this button to add this to my class. Of course, there are additional functionalities that each resource has, which I will talk about later. If you don't find a resource in the library, what you can also do is add resources to your library by clicking on the add to library button. There is also a quick link in almost all pages in your campus, which is called add a content, which adds a resource directly to your library. When you click on this, there are 2 kinds of resources that you can add. One, it could be a web link, which can be either in your intranet or the internet. When I say internet, it could also mean the Classle library also. Or you can create your own resource page. When you create a resource page, it can be a file, it can be a PDF, a presentation, a lecture note, a class plan, anything that you want to add to the campus library. It is recommended that most of these files be below 1 megabyte in size. This is still loading. I think the net is slow here today. Okay, yes. Now, to create a resource, give the title of the resource. Let's say I want to create a resource which is the course plan for marketing manage class. I can choose a course type. In this case, it is a course plan. Yes. Subject area. So in this case, it will be marketing management. See, the autofill throws me marketing management. I can give tags like I gave in creating a class so that students and anybody else who's searching the library can easily locate this resource. Anything that I want. I can put in a small description of the content that I am pasting, or it could be a complete text file. If I need to add any file that I want to upload with this, I can upload and just save it. Doing this will create the content in the campus library. Once this content is created, I can browse the content and use this button to add this to my class. In this way, resources can easily get added to the class that you are owning in a campus Classle situation. Thank you.